Bentley's first EV, replacing the Mulsanne. This year, Bentley is planning to begin testing its first all-electric vehicle, and CEO Adrian Hallmark said as much in an Autocar Business webinar held today. A high-riding saloon or an SUV, as has been speculated, will be on offer in 2025. Hallmark declined to confirm this, but did clarify that it would be a new pricing point for the company, alluding to the former Mulsanne limousine model. There is no way this car will be less expensive than the Bentayga SUV, which begins at roughly £155,000, given the cutting-edge technology and large battery capacity. Expect a price closer to the starting price of the Mulsanne's near £250,000, which suggests that it will be Bentley's most important model as the company prepares to launch 5 electric cars by 2030. Bentley's current lineup tops out around £230,000. Testing would begin later this year and that styling models of all 5 Bentley EVs exist, implying that they will be ready for production by the end of this century. With regards to the 2025 car's design, Hallmark highlighted the need of breaking away from current trends in favor of creating something entirely new. A new automobile will be offered alongside our existing models since it is an incremental product. A new market and game changer are what we're aiming for, not simply an electrified version of what we currently have. In comparison to several of our present concepts, this one is more forward-looking. Not revolutionary, yet there are signs that this vehicle ushers in a new age. It's expected to have groundbreaking aerodynamics as one of its main features, according to Hallmark. However, the total aero efficiency of our existing automobiles will be a major leap forward. No doubt it will be among the finest in terms of efficiency. Because battery packs have intrinsic weight and efficiency limitations that we will address, it needs to be. In order to enhance economy, the firm's designers are aiming to lower the width of its automobiles somewhat rather than shorten their wheelbases. However, he emphasized that many of Bentley's well-known features, such as the luxurious interior and the overall driving experience centered on luxury, would remain. Bentley is researching on induction charging and automated technologies that connect to the vehicle without having to physically plug it in.